Pre-drywall inspection is crucial to catch any issues that may be hidden once the drywall is installed. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential areas to inspect before walls are closed up, ensuring construction quality and preventing costly future repairs. A thorough pre-drywall inspection allows you to examine the structural integrity, electrical systems, plumbing, insulation, and other critical components while they're still visible and accessible. Foundation inspection. Check for cracks, unevenness, or signs of shifting in the foundation that could indicate structural problems. Framing evaluation. Inspect all framing for straightness, proper spacing between studs, and secure attachment to the foundation. Structural alignment. Verify that walls are plumb, floors are level, and ceiling joists are properly aligned to prevent future issues. Electrical wiring. Ensure all electrical wiring is properly installed and secured. Check that wiring is routed according to building codes and plans. Verify the placement of electrical outlets, switches, and light fixtures. Plumbing and HVAC. Inspect plumbing lines for leaks, proper connections, and correct placement. Check HVAC ductwork for proper installation and sealing. Ensure proper venting for exhaust fans and appliances. Verify that insulation is installed according to building codes and plans, checking carefully for gaps or compression in insulation material that could reduce efficiency. Examine the installation of house wrap or moisture barriers and ensure proper flashing around windows, doors, and other penetrations to prevent water intrusion. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent moisture buildup and maintain air quality. Confirm that all vents are correctly installed and that airflow paths are unobstructed. Inspect window and door frames for squareness and proper installation, checking for gaps between frames and walls. Ensure proper sealing around all openings to prevent air and water infiltration. Examine exterior sheathing for damage or improper installation that could compromise the building envelope. Structural elements. Look for signs of water damage, mold, or rot in wood framing. Check for structural deficiencies such as sagging beams or joists that could compromise the building's integrity. Fire safety. Ensure the installation of fire-blocking materials where required by code. Verify that all penetrations through fire-rated assemblies are properly sealed to maintain fire resistance. Safety devices. Check for proper placement of smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Verify that handrails and guardrails are securely installed on stairs and balconies according to code requirements. Documentation review. Review plans and specifications to ensure compliance with design requirements. Document any discrepancies, defects, or areas of concern with detailed notes and photographs for future reference. Accessibility features. Ensure compliance with accessibility standards such as door widths and ramp slopes. Check placement of electrical outlets and light switches for proper height and accessibility requirements. Communication protocol. Communicate any issues or concerns identified during the inspection with the builder or project manager. Ensure that necessary corrections are made before proceeding to drywall installation. Download eAuditor audits and inspections from Apple or Android App Store. Create or use existing checklists tailored to your specific pre-drywall inspection needs. Conduct and document, systematically inspect each area, taking photos of issues and adding them directly to the checklist. Include detailed notes, assign tasks to contractors, and prioritize based on severity or urgency. Report and resolve, generate comprehensive reports. Communicate effectively with the construction team via email and document completion once all identified issues have been addressed satisfactorily. By utilizing eAuditor for your pre-drywall inspection, you can streamline the process, improve communication among stakeholders, and ensure thorough documentation of any issues, ultimately leading to a smoother construction process and higher quality results.